When the human brain develops to 60%, it becomes possible to control every cell in the body and freely transform into any desired form. I ordered them to inject all the remaining serum. As the special substance called CPH4 entered my body, my brain development reached 100%. I took a deep breath, allowing my body to fully adapt to this substance. A few seconds later, a massive energy burst erupted inside me. The scientists were completely stunned by what they saw, because this was a miracle in human history. When I returned to normal, my body began to mutate rapidly. My muscles turned into a pool of black liquid, then crawled over the laboratory equipment, absorbing their energy. To further enhance the evolution of my brain, soon I absorbed all the energy in the lab, and my brain evolved even further. Now I could create a pure white space with just my mind. I created a supercomputer like nothing ever seen before. I stored all the knowledge of Earth inside it. It was my gift to humanity. Now I could go anywhere I wanted with a single thought. In an instant, I went from Paris to New York. I looked at this unfamiliar place and sighed deeply. Then with a wave of my hand, I stopped time. I observed the world for a while, then waved my hand again to let time flow once more. Now I could control the flow of time like a god. I quickly reversed time, and soon the world went back to the industrial age. After studying this era, I reversed time again, and went back hundreds of thousands of years to the primitive age. It was a fascinating world. Then I traveled directly to the age of dinosaurs. Seeing these creatures with my own eyes was breathtaking. Finally, I found the first ape woman on Earth. Her name was Lucy. She was very curious about my presence. I reached out my finger to show friendship, and she reached out her finger to touch mine. The moment we made contact, my consciousness left Earth and entered the depths of the universe. I watched the planets constantly rotating. Before long, Earth faced a devastating catastrophe. After millions of years, Earth was reborn from the destruction. Then my consciousness drifted away again. I reached the farthest parts of the universe, where countless galaxies and alien civilizations existed. Then my consciousness evolved again. I had transcended this dimension. My body cells rapidly fused together. The black liquid began to slowly surround me. Then I vanished into thin air. The black liquid on the computer began to shift, eventually forming into a USB drive. When the professor picked it up, the computer instantly turned to ashes. Inside that USB was all the knowledge I had just mastered.